Okay, let's start by expanding out these factorials. So we've got x plus 6 is x into x plus 5, into x plus 4, x plus 3, and we can stop at x plus 2 factorial because we know the denominator is x plus 2 factorial, and that will allow us then to cancel that out and simplify. And also note that the 6 plus 3 and the 5 times 4 will get to quite similar numbers. So let's multiply out the first and the last. So x plus 6 times x plus 3 is x squared plus 9x plus 18. And then 5 and 4 is x squared plus 9x plus 20. Now if we just adjust each of these by 1, we can make them very similar. So x squared plus 9x plus 19 minus 1 into x squared plus 9x plus 19 plus 1 still equals 1680. Now let u equal x squared plus 9x plus 19. We're then left with a very simple u minus 1 into u plus 1. Now we know that a squared minus b squared is a minus plus b into a minus b. So applying this to the u values here, you can see we get u squared minus 1 squared equals 1680. Therefore u squared equals 1681, and u is therefore plus or minus 41. So using the first one, so u minus 41, exploring that first. So it's x squared minus 9x plus 19 equals minus 41. So therefore, turn it all into one side, x squared minus 9x plus 60 equals 0. And just using the discriminant b squared minus 4ac from the quadratic equation will tell us if we've got 2, 1 or 0 solutions. So b squared would be 9 squared minus 4 times 1 times 60. That's 81 minus 240, which is obviously less than 0. So that means there are no real solutions and it can't be the answer we're looking for. So let's explore u equals 41. X squared minus 9x plus 19 equals 41. So turn that all on one side, you've got x squared minus 9x minus 22 equals 0. Apply the discriminant, and it's 9 squared minus 4 times 1 times 22. Sorry, times minus 22. So therefore, that equals 81 plus 88 is greater than 0. So we know we have real solutions. So applying the full quadratic formula, we've got minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 plus 88 all over 2. Well, that equals minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 169 all over 2. And the square root of 169 is 13. That gives us either 4 over 2, 2, or minus 11. Now we know the original denominator was x plus 2 factorial. Therefore x has to be greater than 1, otherwise you'll end up with a 0 and an infinite answer, and you can't end up with 1680. So therefore x must equal 2. And let's just prove that out. 8 factorial over 4 factorial. It's 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, which is 56 times 30 equals 1680. Thanks very much for watching.